Tonight, we honor Assemblymember Reggie Jones-Sawyer with the LA Trust Visionary Award. He currently serves as the representative for California's 57th District in the State Assembly. Reggie Jones stands as a true champion, dedicating his efforts to advocate for alternatives to incarceration and the fundamental principles of restorative justice. Notably, he has taken on the critical battle to secure $50 million in funding, a substantial stride toward dismantling the school-to-prison pipeline, a deeply entrenched issue that has long plagued our communities. On February 2023, Assemblymember Jones-Sawyer introduced Assembly Bill 912, the Strategic Anti-Violence Funding Efforts Act, also known as the SAFE Act. This comprehensive measure reinvests cost savings from prison closures into programs that reduce violence, provide diversion opportunities, and deliver critical community supports, including mental health, education, and vocational services. Currently, the SAFE Act has passed the legislature and awaits the governor's signature. If the governor signs AB 912 into law, Assemblymember Jones-Sawyer will immediately work to pursue funding for the program during the current legislative session. This is a critical opportunity to reinvest incarceration dollars into programs that reduce violence and support the well-being of children and youth.